Hello, today we'll be replacing the screen on a HP-PAVILION DM4-3055DX. So first you want to make sure it's unplugged from the power source and that the battery is removed. So next, go ahead and flip it back over, open the screen, and you want to remove these two little rubber screw covers that are in each corner of the front screen panel. You can just use so you can see there's one here and one here. Just remove the covers, and then once you have those removed, go ahead and get a small Phillips head screwdriver and take the screws out. There's one. There's the other one. So make sure you put these somewhere that you don't lose them. After that, you can take the small flathead screwdriver again that you used to remove the screw covers, and you just want to kind of get in here and pop off the bezel. Just kind of slide it along the top and the sides here. And it'll pop right off. Alright, and then once you get down to the bottom here, just kind of slide it along. Alright, now you can go ahead and set this off to the side, and then you'll see the screen here actually has 4 screws that you're going to want to make sure you take the Phillips head screwdriver to. So one is right here. You got one right here, and then the other one is right here and on the other side, the 4 corners. So you can go ahead and remove those. Keep those separate from the other screws because you'll notice they're a little bit different, and you just don't want to make sure that you put them in the correct holes when you put them back. So once you finish with that, the screen will just fall right out, and set that on the keyboard, and you'll see right back here there is where the screen connects to the computer. So you're going to want to go ahead and remove the tape that's right here. Be very careful, you don't want to break anything. So and once you lift this up, you see this is removed, and then you just lift up this little metal flap, and then it unplugs. Just like that. And then you just take the old screen, set that to the side, and we have the new screen here. Go ahead and remove the tape from covering the front. And then first thing first, I'm going to go ahead and put this cover right around here just to make sure it doesn't scratch the screen on the keyboard. You take that plug that you unplugged from the back of the old screen, and you go right back in here, and you flip down the little metal lever that holds it in place. Put the tape back down. Set it in place. So you kind of just sit there and the hole will line up. The Phillips head and the small screws. Put them back in. I'll start from the top right. There's one. There's two. Three, and last one. Alright, once that's in, you can go ahead and take the plastic bezel again, set it in, just kind of try to snap it back into place. All sides. Snug. Alright, then you're going to want to take those two screws we took out earlier. And put those in. One. Don't tighten them too hard, you don't want to strip the screws in case you have to replace the screen in the future again. Just put them in there nice and snug. Alright, and take those little rubber covers. You can cover the screws back up again.
Really? Oh, there.
Yeah, that's what
Alright, there's one.
I thought that's where they were.
And the other one. Alright. So that completes it. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in, and we'll see if it worked. Alright, next, go ahead and put the battery back in. Plug in the power. Flip it over. See if it worked. Alright, let's go ahead and turn it on and see if everything worked. Great. Looks like it worked. It's a pretty easy change, and it only takes about 15 minutes to do the whole entire installation and swap. So, good luck.